Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekly plan with me. It is actually Sunday night that I'm filming this, which is not the norm for me. Normally, if I don't plan out by like Sunday during my daughter's nap, I'll just do it on Monday. I have had this on my to-do list since her nap on Thursday. Thursday during her nap, I was going to record the plan with me, and then I moved it to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now here we are Sunday night, and I was like, you have to get this filmed before tomorrow starts. So here we are filming this video. So it is Monday, tomorrow will be Monday, January 6th. That's the week that I am filming this for. Obviously, you're seeing it a couple of weeks later, and it is both a busy work week as well as we're preparing to go out of town. We leave Sunday. So let's get this party started. I always do two colors. If you've never watched one of my Plan With Me videos, I like to plan one color for all my work stuff and one color for all my personal stuff. It is a big week for my Texas Longhorns, so I grabbed the orange and then decided to just go yellow to go with that. If this is your first time watching one of my Plan With Me's, I do plan out my entire life plan on my Google Cal before I transfer it to my weekly planning pad. If you want to see more about my entire planning process from start to finish, I do have a whole video about that called How I Plan My Life. I start from my annual goals all the way down to my daily plans, although you see a lot of the weekly and the daily steps in these Plan With Me videos. So this video that you're watching is my weekly Plan With Me, and the next video will be a daily Plan With Me so you can see how this week actually planned out. Okay, enough talking, Laken. Let's get to planning. So I don't write my AM routine at the top anymore, but what I am going to put at the top is one of my monthly goals is to get my workout in the morning. And I have a goal set to do it 3 times a week. But we all know that there is going to be some day this week that I'm going to wake up and not feel like doing it. Well, let's be real. There's probably gonna be a lot of days that I'm gonna wake up and not feel like doing it. There's gonna be days that I push myself and I do it anyway. And then there's probably gonna be at least one day that I say, all right, I won't do it. And so my goal is actually 3, but I'm scheduling to do it 4 with the intention that I will end up doing it 3 times. Okay. We're gonna go day by day. So starting with Monday, my mom is coming to watch my daughter in the morning. And so I have 1, 2, well, I'm kind of breaking my work tasks up. So normally what I do, if I have my mom, I just dropped the lid to that. Well, I can't find the pen on the floor, or the lid on the floor, so I'm just gonna have to look at that. This is kind of a mess for a Sunday night Plan With Me. Okay. Anyway, normally when my mom is watching my daughter or she's at daycare, I will just do all my work stuff like right through her nap, because that's just how I plan. That is not what's happening tomorrow, and I'll tell you why in a second. So we're gonna start with 3 work tasks when my mom gets here. I'm gonna do my communication routine. Then I need to prep a couple of YouTube videos. Normally I plan all my YouTube videos and all my content for the whole month, the last week of the month. That doesn't work like that for December into January because of Vlogmas. So my editor last week edited 3 videos, and I need to finish those tomorrow and then do the newsletters. That may or may not take me all the way until Lila goes down for her nap. It's possible, but who knows? And then if not, I'll just move on to some of these later things. So then when Lila goes down for her nap before my mom leaves, I'm gonna have her dye my hair. And then after that, I should still have a little bit of nap time left. I am going to break down actually one of my work goals. I have also had this on my list for a while. One of my quarterly work goals, needs some more thinking to be fully broken down. I did it high level in order to kind of map out the quarter, but I really need to do it in more depth. And I have hours slated later this week to work on this goal. And so tomorrow I need to actually break it down. And then I need to set up my new computer. So I actually bought a new computer today. My laptop is on its last leg, and I decided before we go on a trip, I want my laptop to be in tip-top shape. I'm not planning to work next week, but who knows? You never know. So I want my laptop to be in good shape. So I am gonna get my computer all set up tomorrow. I really wanted to get to it today, but I prioritized packing instead. Okay, so that's it for tomorrow. And then we're just gonna hang out. Oh wait, I am planning to make a crock pot meal tomorrow. So let's just go ahead and put this and put dinner in crock pot. I say that it's not gonna happen at 11 because it's one of those meals that's like 4 hours on high, and we're obviously not eating dinner at 3. So that'll probably move around when I actually plan out my day. Okay. Then Tuesday, Lila will be at daycare. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. Before we start drawing dots, we actually have a call on Tuesday. So one of the changes in the new year is that the community coaching calls are now during the day. And there's a lot of reasons. And I polled a lot of people and a lot of things went into making that decision that I'm not going to go into here. But the call is on Tuesday at noon. So that is exciting. So I will drop Lila at daycare and then I will come home, and I have 4 things before this. And one of those is prepping the call. And now that I'm like about to write that down, I don't know that I want to do that on the same day. Like that doesn't feel right to me. So you know what? We're going to move that over here. And if that means that I don't get to play with my new computer tomorrow, that's what that means. So I'm going to put that there. And then Tuesday, do my communication routine. We will plan the reels that I'm not going to film until Wednesday, but I'll plan them on Tuesday. Some stuff for the in-person event. By the time you're seeing this video, the date should be released for this event. That's the plan. The plan is I'm going to book it on Tuesday and do all the save the date stuff. And then, all the other, you know what? Because I just don't know what else to write here, I'm also going to write prep call. So I have 2 calls to prep. I have the call that's live on Tuesday, and then there's also going to be a pre-recorded call that will go up while I'm on vacation. In my head, I want to prep them both at the same time because it just makes sense, like the synergy of doing the same task at the same time. But the timing of doing that, so really what is going to probably end up happening is one of these things is going to move here to Tuesday, and you'll see that in the daily plan with me version of this, because my brain cannot do the call the same day it's happening. That just doesn't make any sense. Okay, so then after that call, I need to get the replay up of the live call, and then I need to record the next call. I don't like to record the call until after the last live call. If I can make it work with when I'm going out of town, I want to record after the last call went live. So, but that should all work out totally fine. And then again, if I have to do one of these things on Tuesday, that will be what it will be. Okay, and then on Wednesday, another 4 things, just continuously 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have our communication routine, and then actually film the reels because I'm already going to be ready for the day. And then we've got to prep the live. And then I'm going to work on this goal that I'm breaking down on Monday. I just put work on goal in my Google Cal. And then after I finish the live, I need to do the recap. That's the first step. And then I'm going to get my nails done before our trip. I thought about getting it done closer to the trip, but to me, getting it done, I think while she's at daycare, and I know that this is going to be hard to explain. Some of you who get it, you'll get it, that I would rather do other work later in the week or other packing or other household things or whatever while my mom or Sam has Lila versus daycare having Lila. It just makes it less stressful in my brain, but that's just my brain. Okay, that's it on Wednesday. All of our evenings, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, are empty, which is kind of bizarre now that I'm looking at it, but okay. Then on Thursday, hopefully, weather pending, because my mom has to take my stepdad to the airport, and so I want to go to the library. That's what that little box is. And we can totally walk to the library, but the weather's supposed to be bad. And so if my mom can't give us a ride because she is taking my stepdad to the airport, then we may just not go to the library. We may just stay home. I talked about that during one of the Vlogmas vlogs. Okay, and then while Lila is down for her nap, I am going to, same thing, work on this goal that I break down, do my communication routine, and then the last step is to plan the next week. However, I don't really know what that's going to look like given I'm not actually planning to work the next week. I feel like I may end up doing some work while I'm gone. That's why I'm taking my laptop, but I'm not planning to do any work, so I'm not sure what that planning session looks like. Okay, then Friday during her nap, I'm going to pack for our trip is my plan. So that will be that. And then Friday night is the Texas game. Oh, I guess Thursday night I will also watch the college football playoff games, because if Texas wins, that's who they will be playing as the winner of this game. So I will definitely watch that. And then the NFL playoffs start on Saturday. My team, of course, the Cowboys sucked this season, so they will not be playing in the playoffs this week. And so I will probably watch some of those games. They're not important enough that I'm going to put them in my planner. Okay. Saturday, nope, wrong color, Laken. We do have a community call during the day. So while I moved the weekly coaching calls from the evening to the daytime, I then also added a coffee chat to Saturdays, or to the weekends. It's not always gonna be on Saturday. So that is on Saturday. I haven't quite decided if I'm gonna do a replay for this or not, but I'm gonna put the dot there just in case. So the plan is for that to just line up with Lila's now. And then we also on Saturday need to check in for our flight. And then our flight is on Sunday. We are headed to the Bahamas. I'm so excited. If you have been around or following, especially if you follow me on Instagram, we were supposed to go on a family trip to San Diego in September, and it ended up getting canceled because of strikes at a hotel, the hotel we were supposed to stay at. And so the company canceled it. It's a trip for my husband's work. They rescheduled it to next week, but it is now in the Bahamas instead of San Diego, which is so interesting. So now that we have a plan, we need to set up my time tracker sheet for the week. So this is, again, I talked about all this in that How I Plan My Life video, but this is how I track my time that I spend on work stuff over the course of the week. I do this both for data to have how long things take. It really helps me plan in the future, but I also do it for additional accountability. When I track my time and write it down, like actually write it down somewhere. I do track in an app, but then I write it down on this tracker. It just holds me so much more accountable. Okay, I got slightly distracted because I pulled up the tracker so that I can transfer it from my Google Sheet. There were 2 tasks on there that did not make it into my calendar, and I just don't know why my brain didn't see those. So we need to add those into the calendar. And so here's basically what we're gonna do. We're gonna put one here, and that is to cut up the prior month's videos for the community. And then we're gonna put one here, and that is to write some emails, some sales emails. So I don't know. It's just messy because that is my brain, I don't know, just missed them. So bizarre. Okay, so let's get some dots going here. So pink are my recurring tasks. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 recurring tasks this week. And then I can't find the red color, which is the one for the in-person event. So I'm just going to use this yellow for the in-person event. This is for the sales emails. And then this is for that goal that I need to break down more. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 dots just for this week. I'm going to do 1 for breaking it down and then 1 for working on it. And I've set aside, I have 10 task blocks to work on it. Now I'm also wondering how all this mathed. We'll see. That's why there's a daily version of this video, so you can see how it pans out over the course of the week. I don't know. Okay. So the first things first is we have our communication routine. The 3 things that are on every single week: communication routine, the community call for the week, and then the live chat. And then the other recurring things are Instagram Reels. Actually, you may start seeing those every single week. I did a challenge with myself to post 25 Reels in 25 days on Instagram, just like I was doing on YouTube in December. And I did it, and it was awesome. I am going to carry through my goal for Instagram. I didn't really talk about this anywhere because it's not necessarily a goal in the sense that I'm like social media and posting on social media was already part of my business rhythm. I just kind of wanted to up it a little bit. So in January, my goal plan is to have 1 thing on Instagram every day. Some of them will be standalone in feed posts, but if it's not, it's going to be a reel. And so I decided that instead of doing it for the whole month in advance, I'm going to do it a week at a time, which is how I did it in December. So for now, it is a weekly thing. And then I need to, like we talked about, prep videos, do newsletters, and then cut up the prior month's coaching calls into their specific categories. Then this is the in-person event stuff. Again, I just want to book the venue and then get the save the dates out as the plan for this week. Emails. And then for that other goal, I'm going to break it down and then I'm going to work on it. I talked more about that goal. I'm not trying to be like secretive about it. In my Q1 January goals video, I talk about my business goals, my quarterly business goals. And so I talk about that there. It's a bunch of email marketing stuff. It's welcome sequence, all kinds of things. So, but it needs to be broken down more. Okay. And in terms of times, we have 3, 3, 10, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, and then I just have 10 for both of these. So let's just break it up, 2 and 8. And then I'd plan 0 for miscellaneous. Never ends up happening, but I also tend to overestimate other things. So usually other things take me less time and it fills in with miscellaneous. In terms of other to-dos, I don't have anything I'm ready to write there yet. This will get filled out over the course of the week. Okay, my last step is my Kanban board. And I usually do that on camera. I'll flip the camera around. But my entire desk is a disaster. And I would have to move stuff in order to make that happen. It's not happening right this second. I need to go to bed. So that is going to be it for this video. If you liked it, again, if you want to see how this pans out over the course of the week, come back and watch the daily plan with me video that will be up next week. If you made it all the way to the end, comment below with, if you can find it, the hook'em horns emoji. Looks like this. By the time this video goes up, that game will have already happened. But actually, the day that this video goes up is the national championship day game. So if they win, they will be playing later today. If you're watching this video, the day goes live. If you can't find the hook'em horns emoji, like the emoji one, just do an orange heart. Okay, that is going to be it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every week focused on helping you achieve your goals. Thank you so much for watching my channel and welcome to blah, 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 blah. It's like I haven't been talking all day.